Struggling to find the perfect router table for clean, precise, and safe cuts? In this video, we break down the top 4 best router tables of 2026, tested and compared for accuracy, stability, power handling, and ease of use. We analyze cut quality, fence systems, dust collection, durability, and setup time so you can avoid bad purchases and choose the best router table for your workshop. Whether you're a beginner, DIYer, or pro woodworker, these picks deliver smooth results and reliable performance. From compact benchtop models to heavy-duty shop setups, this guide helps you work faster, cut cleaner, and build better. Watch till the end to see our top overall pick. All product links are in the description box below. First up is the Bosch RA1181 benchtop router table. The Bosch RA1181 offers an excellent combination of durability, adjustability, precision, and value. It is equipped with an aluminum tabletop, base plate, and fence that provide a perfectly flat surface with zero movement caused by temperature and humidity fluctuations. The kit comes with medium-density fiberboard (MDF) faceplates for the fence, along with an assortment of throat plates, 2 feather boards, a bit guard, and a vacuum port. It also includes a power switch with 2 outlets to accommodate a router and vacuum. This router table is compatible with most of the popular router brands and models. Unlike the aluminum tabletop, the table legs are made of molded plastic. The table is equipped with a cord wrap on one end and a tool pocket for organizing bits and spare parts on the other. The base offers 4 pre-drilled holes for screw mounting the router table to a benchtop. Alternatively, the feet can be clamped in place. It took us about an hour to assemble and mount the RA1181 router table and another 30 minutes to install the router and level the base plate. The instructions were adequate. While researching this unit, we noted several reviewer complaints that hinted toward a complicated assembly, difficulty leveling the base, and a tabletop that was not truly flat. We experienced none of those issues. It was simply a matter of assemble the tool and get to work. We were very pleased with the results. Once securely mounted on the bench, the table was completely stable during operation. The fence adjustments worked as designed. The accessories provided everything needed to safely operate the equipment. The only potential weak point was the power switch, which felt kind of flimsy, although we didn't experience any malfunctions because of it. Next, let's talk about the Bosch RA1141 portable benchtop router table. With its sturdy construction, portable design, and wide variety of additional features, this Bosch benchtop router table is a worthy addition to any home workshop. It features an ample 26-inch long by 16.5-inch wide workspace, which can capably handle boards up to 6 or 7 feet long. Its 1-inch thick laminated MDF top provides a sturdy work surface. The tall fence with 2 adjustable featherboards serves as a secure guide when running material through the router. The baseplate uses a click mounting system that attaches to the router in seconds, and it's compatible with routers from most major tool brands, including Craftsman, DeWalt, Hitachi, Ryobi, Milwaukee, Makita, and Bosch. A T-slot runs the length of the table and works with the included miter gauge. This table has bins integrated into its legs for storing extra bits and base plates. Foldable legs make this 33-pound router table portable. The Bosch RA1141 router table was one of the most affordable and easiest to set up in the entire test group. We appreciated that it came with everything needed to get started on basic projects: throat plates, adjustable featherboards, and a miter gauge. Although the click mounting system was less precise than some of our top performers, it worked well for production projects like edge shaping. Still, it is not ideal for projects with tight tolerances. To prevent unwanted leg movement during operation, this table must be clamped or screwed down to the benchtop. Next up, the Skill router table. This router table and fixed base router combo from Skill is a convenient and affordable package that's especially appealing for router table beginners. The table features a sturdy work surface made of laminated MDF, a metal router mounting plate with a quick attachment bracket, onboard storage for bits and tools, and a tall fence that works well with bulkier workpieces. The included router has a 10-amp motor, soft start switch, and a variable speed controller to accommodate bits of different types and sizes. Although some assembly was required, this was one of the easier tables to set up. Altogether, attaching the legs, assembling and attaching the fence, and installing and adjusting the router took about 30 minutes. Not every router table in our test group included its own power switch, but this one includes a dual outlet paddle switch for safe and convenient power control. The lightweight legs on the table necessitate clamping or screwing the unit to the bench top. Even with that done, we experienced a slight wobble while feeding larger and heavier work pieces. As with some of the other budget-friendly models, this table and mounting system was not the best at precision work, but functioned well for edge shaping and other tasks with wider tolerances. We really liked the router, too. It provided plenty of power to efficiently drive large and small bits, even in hardwood. And finally, Rockler Convertible Benchtop Router Table. For smaller wood shops or users who need a higher degree of portability, the Rockler Convertible Benchtop Router Table is tough to beat. This lightweight router table features a unique folding design that makes storage and transport super easy. It can be wall or bench mounted for space-saving efficiency. Rockler's folding router table comes with an MDF tabletop and an adjustable fence. The router insert plate is sold separately. This table required assembly, which took about 30 minutes to complete. We attached the feet, fastened the locking pin retainers to the legs, and assembled the fence. It's important to note that the table does not come with a router mounting plate. That's an additional purchase, which seemed a bit odd. Other units simply offered a plate with multiple screw hole options or drilling templates, which was much more convenient. Once assembled, the Rockler folding router table worked as advertised. We clamped it to a bench top for a few cuts, then moved it to a wall-mounted position for a few more cuts. The best and most unique aspect of this table is its lightweight portability. It worked pretty well for small pieces, but the small tabletop was impractical for larger and heavier project pieces, which was to be expected. It was sturdier than we had anticipated, but it did wobble a bit. Adjustability was fairly basic but effective. To us, it felt like a strong option for occasional use on craft projects, but perhaps not for frequent, intensive use.